Rio is falling. Not from a tree. From his chair. Papers flying everywhere. One single leaf floating slowly to the floor. Let me tell you how we got here. This morning, Rio woke up confident. Today was salary day. Rio fixed his tie. Tie went crooked. Fixed it again. Crooked again. Decided crooked is fine. Maya was already in kitchen. List of expenses on table. Rio did not look at list. Good morning, my love. Rio? The banana price went up again. Today is salary day. Everything is fine. Maya stares. Jon ran in. Giant backpack, oversized suit jacket. Papa, today is salary day. Does that mean we can fix the leaky roof? Rio froze. What leaky roof? The one that leaks every time it rains, Papa. Rio looked up at ceiling. Small brown stain in corner. That has always been there, son. That is a stain from last Tuesday's rain. Rio had never noticed. Maya stares. Rio walked to work. Salary day energy. Rio straightened crooked tie. Tie went crooked again immediately. Rio passed Jungle Market. 6 leaves for 1 banana? Yesterday it was 4. Rio did calculation in head. Got terrible answer. This is fine. Rio was wrong. Rico appeared from nowhere. New gold chain. Blinding in morning sun. Rio, brother, salary day. Banana price went up. Rico waved hand like nothing. When you have multiple income streams, prices do not matter. Multiple income what? Come talk to me later. I have an opportunity. Uh-oh. Rio opened salary envelope. Same number as last month. Same number as 6 months ago. Leaves are leaves. Rio was wrong. Lunchtime. 6 leaves for banana. Rio paid. Ate slowly. Last year, banana was 3 leaves. Salary same. Banana more expensive. Rio put banana down. Did not finish it. First time Rio ever did not finish banana. Evening came. Past Rico's new treehouse. Bigger than last season. Rio looked at his own small treehouse. Same treehouse for 7 years. Rio kept walking. Dinner was quiet. Papa, you're not eating. I am thinking about numbers. Jon tilted small head. But Papa, if you get paid same every month, and banana costs more every month, does that mean your money gets smaller? Silence. Kitchen clock ticked. Rio looked at Jon. 7 years old. Asking the question Rio had never thought to ask. Rio opened mouth. Closed it. Opened again. Maya stares. After dinner, Rio sat alone. Rio did the real math. 3 years ago, banana cost 3 leaves. Now banana costs 6 leaves. Salary same. Rio was earning same leaves, but buying half as much. Without anyone telling him. Without anyone explaining why. Rio stood up too fast. Chair fell backwards. Rio fell with chair. Papers flew everywhere. One single leaf floated to floor. Rio lay on floor looking up at ceiling. Same brown stain. Leaky roof. What else had Rio never noticed? Maya appeared at door. Rio? How long has this been happening? Not about the roof. About the leaves. About the silent, invisible theft. Rio had no answer. Jon appeared behind Maya. Papa, are we going to be okay? Rio looked at his son. Of course, son. Rio did not sound sure. For first time in his life, Rio did not feel sure. Later, Rio heard something outside. Rico, standing in dark, no gold chain, no fake smile, just standing, counting leaves. Same face as Rio 1 hour ago. Same confusion. Same fear. Rico looked up, saw Rio. Smile came back instantly. Fake. Bro, great night. Rico walked inside. Something had never added up about Rico. Morning came. Letter under door. Rio picked it up. Read first line. Read it again. Letter from Big Monkey Bank. 3 words that changed everything. Rio's hands shook. Next week on Jungle Money, the letter nobody wanted has arrived. Subscribe for a banana.